In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Firebase Cloud Messaging, FCM, credentials. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have the exact credentials needed for services like OneSignal to send push notifications through your Firebase project. Start by opening the Firebase console in your browser and selecting the project you want to use. Make sure you're working in the correct project, especially if you have multiple environments like development and production, because the credentials you generate are tied to that specific project. Once the project is open, look for the gear icon next to Project Overview on the left sidebar. Click it and choose Project Settings. This is where Firebase keeps the configuration details for your app and where we'll access cloud messaging and service accounts. In Project Settings, go to the Cloud Messaging tab. Here you'll see details related to FCM. Find the section labeled Firebase Cloud Messaging API, V1. If it's already enabled, you're good to go. If it's disabled, click the three-dot menu next to it and choose Manage API in Google Cloud Console. A new tab will open in Google Cloud Console with the FCM V1 API page. Click Enable to activate the API for your project. It may take a couple of minutes for the change to propagate. If the Firebase console hasn't updated yet, give it a moment and refresh the page before moving on. Next, you'll generate the credentials OneSignal will use to authenticate. Return to the Firebase console and open the Service Accounts tab at the top of the Project Settings page. At the bottom, click Generate New Private Key. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Click Generate Key to proceed. Firebase will immediately download a JSON file to your computer. This file contains your service account credentials for server-to-server communication with FCM. You will treat this JSON file like a secret. Store it in a secure location, restrict who can access it, and avoid sharing it in chats, emails, or version control. You won't need to open or edit it. You'll simply upload it to OneSignal when prompted in their dashboard. If you manage multiple environments, label and store each JSON file clearly so you don't mix them up. That's it. You opened your Firebase project, checked the Cloud Messaging tab, enabled the FCM V1 API in Google Cloud Console if needed, and generated a private key from the Service Accounts tab. If you encounter permission errors, verify that you have sufficient access in both Firebase and Google Cloud Console. And remember, after enabling an API, waiting a few minutes and refreshing can resolve most not enabled messages. Once you upload the JSON file to OneSignal, your integration will be ready to send notifications through FCM.